Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why tigers have stripes? Snowflakes are uniquely intricate, or fish territories resemble honeycomb patterns? Well, these patterns aren't just happy accidents. They are the result of a profound concept called the broken symmetry, a principle that underpins the fabric of our universe. At its heart, broken symmetry explains how order and complexity emerge from a simple and balanced beginnings. A perfect symmetry, a state where everything is identical and uniform. It may look flawless, but it's inherently fragile. And when it breaks, it gives rise to the beautiful diversity and structures we see around us, from spiral of galaxies to the stripes of zebra. Did you know that nature loves symmetry? But it also thrives on breaking it. Living organisms and non-living systems share common patterns because they arise from the same mathematical principles. Consider the spiral of a nautilus shell or the radial symmetry of a starfish. These are stunning examples of nature's order. But beyond their physical forms, symmetry also influences behavior, like fish territories in a lake. For instance, a line in a hexagonal grid, much like bee cells in a honeycomb. Why? Both systems optimize space while maintaining balance. Mirror symmetry is when an object looks at the same as its reflection, but not everything obeys this rule. For example, your left hand and your right hand are mirror images, but they are not interchangeable, right? Life on Earth, intriguingly, prefers left-handed amino acids, a molecular choice that might have been a cosmic accident or the result of a deep universal forces. Physicists point to the weak nuclear force, which slightly favors one molecular forms over its mirror image. Over time, this tiny imbalance dominates, shaping the building blocks of life. As the physicist Wolfgang Pauli famously said, "The Lord is a weak left-hander," hinting at the mysterious role this asymmetry plays in the universe. The concept of broken symmetry extends to the very formation of the cosmos. Early in the universe history, everything was in a state of a perfect symmetry, with all fundamental forces unified. But as the universe cooled and expanded, this symmetry shattered, giving rise to gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. Each break created the diverse structures we see today, from atoms to galaxies. This process reminds us that our universe could have turned out differently. The way symmetry broke determined the law of physics, the formation of matter, and ultimately the conditions for life. So what is a broken symmetry? Broken symmetry is when a perfectly balanced system shifts to create diversity and complexity. So, imagine a spinning coin. It looks like the same from every angle, right? But at the moment it falls, it chooses a side, breaking its symmetry. In nature, this concept manifests in countless ways, from the patterns on a leopard's coat to the arrangement of atoms in a crystal. It's basically the universe's way to create a variety of form of uniformity. And why does it matter? So broken symmetry is more than just a scientific idea, because it is a profound insight into how the world works. It explains why patterns emerge, and why life is structured the way it is, and why the universe evolved as it did. It bridges the smallest scale, like molecules, to the largest, like galaxies. And in conclusion, nature's beauty lies in its imperfections, its broken symmetries. These flaws are what allows diversity and complexity to emerge, shaping everything from tigers to the law of physics. As a reflection, consider this quote from Leonard Cohen. There is a crack in everything, and that's how the light gets in. Broken symmetry reminds us that imperfection is not a flaw. It's a doorway to creativity, growth, and the intricate beauty of the world we inhabit. Isn't it awe-inspiring to think that from brokenness the universe finds its brilliance?